Okay, children. Good morning, everybody.
Good
I
morning,
hope
ma'am.
more children are there now.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very less. Today only 13 have come. Okay. All of you had your breakfast?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So be ready for answering the previous topics. Okay. Switch on your videos, Vivian. What happened? Hannah, I didn't see you in the morning. Adi, Vivian, all of you switch on your videos. All switch on your videos. What happened? Pavitra, Girish, who is it? All of you enter with your own name. Otherwise, I cannot understand. Reena Sabu, Riha, is it Riha? No. Reena Sabu, who is it? Enter with your own name, children. Otherwise, I cannot identify. Even face is not there. So I'll put absent. I will not be able to make out whom you are. Isn't it? Okay. So, yes, only few have come. Ma'am, did you have rain? Okay, Adi Ishwar, it's raining heavily here. Here it is raining. Heavy rain is there. Okay. So what we studied in the previous class? Today, first period, what did we study?
Read about triangles.
I'll call one person. I'll call one person. Okay. Abhinav, tell me. What did we study morning? Yes.
About triangle.
About triangles. We studied what is a triangle.
What is triangle?
Parts of a triangle. Okay. What are the different
What
types
is
of triangle?
triangle?
Yes.
And the 3 types of triangle.
Very good. 3 types of triangle. Ananya, can you tell me what are the 3 types of triangle we studied? 3 types of triangle based on sides and based on angles we studied, isn't it? Can you tell me? Okay, Sanaika. I think she cannot answer.
Yes,
Some problem is there.
Scalene
Okay.
triangle, equilateral triangle, and isosceles triangle.
Okay, scalene triangle, equilateral triangle, and isosceles triangle. Very good. Okay. Here, Savio, can you tell me what are the 3 types of triangle based on angles? Based on angles.
Can I?
Savio, can you tell me?
Ma'am,
You are not there. Okay. Yes, Adidev. 3 types of triangles based on angles. Tehan? Yes?
Obtuse angle triangle, acute angle triangle, and right angle triangle.
Right angle, the triangle. Okay, Adidev, you switch on switch on the speaker and tell me. Adidev, what are the different types of triangles we studied? Based on sides, we studied 3 types. What are those 3 types of triangles?
ma'am, scalene, equilateral,
Very good. Then, what do you call if both sides are equal? Only 2 sides are equal. We call it by a name. What is that? Yes, Karin?
Isosceles.
Isosceles. Okay. When 2 sides are equal, we call it isosceles. When all the 3 sides are equal, we call it equilateral.
Equilateral.
When all the sides are different, we call it
Scalene.
scalene triangle. Okay, based on angles also we studied, no? Adi, can you tell me? Based on angles, 3 different types of triangles we studied. What are those triangles? Name them. Switch on your speaker. Speaker is switched off. Speaker you switch on and then say. Three different types of triangles based on angles. Okay, Emil Lijo.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, right angle triangle, obtuse
Yes.
angle triangle, and acute angle triangle.
Okay, right angled triangle, acute angled triangle, and obtuse angled triangle, isn't it? Okay, very good.
Ma'am.
Now I want to check. Uh, what do you mean by acute angled triangle, Sanika?
Ma'am, all sides will be acute angled.
All angles should be acute angle.
Angle should be
Okay, all angles should be acute angle in a triangle. Then we can call it acute angle triangle. Okay, then I'll call Harin. Tell me, what is an obtuse angled triangle?
An angle will always be more than 90 degrees. Or
One angle of a triangle is always more than 90 degrees. Then we can call it an obtuse angled triangle. Isn't it? Okay, Nivedita, right angled triangle.
For right angle triangle, when one angle
Any one angle
is
will be
should be
90 degrees.
90 degree. Then we can call it as an
Right angle.
right angle triangle. Okay, so I'll draw some triangles and I'll call you one by one to check whether you have understood it or not. So just I'll draw the triangles on the board. You have to tell me. Don't shout together. I will call you.
Okay, ma'am.
So I'm first one. I'm drawing. I'm drawing only rough figures, children. 5 centimeters, and this is 8 centimeters, and this one is 8 centimeters. Okay, Ehan, can you tell me what type of triangle it is?
Yes, ma'am. It is obtuse angled triangle.
No, no. Only sides are given. No.
Ma'am,
Based on sides you have
isosceles.
to answer. Yes. Okay, acute angled triangle, correct. Because you can see from the figure, all angles are acute angled. Acute angled, we can say. Okay. Then based on sides.
isosceles.
Isosceles.
Isosceles. Why? Because two sides are equal. So we can say it is isosceles triangle.
Triangle.
Okay, next one. Next one, Adidev, you have to identify the triangle. Okay, you have to identify the triangle. I'm drawing like this. Don't shout out the answer. I will call.
Ma'am, right.
Don't, no,
Ma'am,
no,
can I-
don't shout out the answer. I told you. I want to know how many of you have understood. Adidev, can you tell me what type
Ma'am,
of
right
triangle it
angled
is?
triangle.
Right angled triangle. Very good. It is a right angled triangle. Okay. Based on side, what type of triangle it is? Adidev, based on sides. Based on side, can you tell me anything about
Ma'am,
that
can I
triangle?
say?
Wait, I'm calling Adidev. What about the
Ma'am,
sides? Are the sides equal?
ma'am, scalene.
Scalene. So answer is
Scalene.
scalene triangle. Okay. Next one. Next triangle. It is this. Okay, I'll call. Afridi, can you tell me what type of triangle it is? Anna Rashid Ali, can you tell me what is this type of triangle called? Name of this triangle? No, no. Ananya, what type of triangle it is? Based on angle, what can you say? Which type of triangle it is? Hmm? Ananya,
Ma'am, can I say?
Emil, Emil,
Hi.
what
Ma'am.
kind of triangle?
Ma'am, can I
Obtuse
say?
angle triangle.
Hello?
Obtuse angle triangle.
Obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. Nivedita, and then based on side, what can you tell?
Ma'am, scalene triangle.
No. Two sides are
Ma'am, can
equal.
I say?
No?
Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle.
Can be an
Isosceles triangle.
isosceles triangle, isn't it? Because two sides are equal, 7 centimeter both. Isosceles triangle. Okay, next one. Why two sides are equal? So we can call it isosceles. Next one. RST.
RS 5.2, 5.2, and
Okay. Sandra, can you tell me what type of triangle it is? Sandra. Savio?
Ma'am, acute.
Acute angle triangle. Very good. It is an acute angled triangle. All angles are acute angles. That means all angles are below 90. Isn't it? Below 90 degree. So we can call it as an acute angled triangle. And what can you say about all the sides? Anna Rashid Ali, can you tell me what are all the about the side? What type of triangle it is? Based on the side. What are the measurements given? Are the sides equal? All the sides are equal?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what we can call it?
Mm,
What is the name of a triangle whose all sides are equal?
Equilateral triangle.
Equilateral. So it is an acute
Equilateral
angled equilateral triangle, isn't it? Equilateral triangle. Okay. So I hope you have understood what are the different types of triangles based on sides and based on angles. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Children?
Yes,
Did
ma'am.
you all understand?
Yes,
Adi
ma'am.
as well? Hello? Did you understand? What
Yes,
are the
ma'am.
different types of
Yes, ma'am.
triangles based on sides and based on angles? Okay, tell me what is an isosceles triangle?
Isosceles triangle
Isosceles triangle.
is
Two
where two sides are
sides
equal.
are
When two sides
equal.
are
Any
equal.
two sides
Any two sides are
equal.
equal.
Okay, so you're familiar with the different types of triangles. Now, what we are going to study is about the altitudes and median of a triangle. Okay, altitudes and median of a triangle. So let us see what do you mean by altitude and median of a triangle. First one is the median of a triangle. See, median of a triangle. See this, children, median, this is the first one, first triangle, you can extend it. That figure is not clear. I shall extend it. Look at this, it goes like this. Okay, so continuation. The triangle and median is a line which starts from the vertex and it goes to the opposite side of the vertex. Median of a triangle is a line segment drawn from a vertex. Here it is A, from a vertex. This is the vertex. To the midpoint of, midpoint means what? Middle point. Suppose it is 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. This will be what? 5 centimeter. And this will be 5 centimeter. Why? D is the midpoint of that side. Okay. D is the midpoint of that side. So, what is a median? A line joining a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. To the midpoint of the opposite side. This is known as a median. What is it? A line joining. A line joining. It's a line segment drawn from a vertex. It's a line segment drawn from a vertex to the opposite side, midpoint of the opposite side. See this figure. This figure you see, this is a point A, point B, and point C. Here you can say that this from A, the line is drawn to the midpoint of the opposite side, to the middle point of the opposite side, and that line is known as the median. And it divides the opposite side into two equal parts. That is why it is shown like this. We can name it as D. So BD will be equal to DC. Such a line is known as the median. So what is a median? AD is the median here. A line segment drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side of the vertex. Okay, now here you see the next median, B. From B, starts from B. Okay, next median is starting from B. Here you see from B, it starts and reaches here. This is the midpoint of the opposite side. That is this. What is the opposite side here? AC is the opposite side of this vertex. Today, opposite side, opposite side. Midpoint. This is the midpoint of the opposite side. So A, we can name it as E. So AE will be equal to EC, like that. Okay. Then from third vertex also we can draw a median. Okay, third vertex also we can draw a median. We can see how it is. Third vertex is C. From C, I can draw a median. See, from C, I am drawing a median to the opposite side. We can call it F, midpoint of the opposite side. Midpoint of the opposite side. So a line segment which joins the midpoint of the opposite side to the opposite vertex, or a line segment joining a vertex of a triangle to its opposite midpoint of its opposite side can be called a median. Okay, so did you understand what is a median of a triangle?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read it? Yes, Abhinav, read it. What is a median of a triangle?
Median of a triangle is a line segment drawn from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side vertex.
Midpoint of the opposite side of the vertex. Okay,
The
midpoint of
median-
the opposite side. Emil, read it. Read it. What is a median?
A median of a triangle is a line segment drawn from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side of the vertex.
Did you understand what is a median?
Yes, ma'am.
Safwan?
Ma'am.
Allah Safwan, read it. What is a median? What is the median of a triangle? Hmm.
A line join the lines.
Can I?
It is not clear. Yes, Adi.
Can I say?
Read it. Adidev. Adidev.
A median of a triangle is a line segment drawn from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side of the vertex.
Vertex. Okay. Then the next sentence. The medians of a triangle are concurrent at a point. Concurrent means what? Concurrent means what? What do you mean by concurrent? Joining together in one point.
At a point.
At a point. Okay. Joining together. That is known as concurrent, coming together. So the medians are concurrent at a point. How many medians are there for a triangle? You have seen now, no? How many medians we can draw?
Three.
Three.
Three
Because there are
medians.
only three vertices, isn't it? So from each vertex, one median we can draw to the opposite side. Okay. So how many vertices? Three vertices. So how many medians we can draw? Three medians.
Three medians.
And these three medians join together at a point, and that point is known as what? You can see from the figure, that is the meeting point. It can be called the point of concurrency is called centroid. What is it known as? It's known as
Centroid.
centroid of the triangle. Centroid of the triangle. So this is called the centroid of the triangle. Centroid. Centroid of the triangle. Understood? So
Yes, ma'am.
what is a median? Median is a line from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Okay, a median is a line segment drawn from the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. Then another thing you can say, a median divides the opposite side into two equal parts. Clear? Isn't it? This median is dividing the opposite side into two equal parts, isn't it? This one is equal to this side. It is dividing the opposite side into two equal parts. And how many medians can be drawn for a triangle?
Three medians.
Three medians. Three medians. One is this, next one, third one. So like that, three medians can be drawn, and the meeting point is known as the centroid of the triangle. Meeting point of the medians are known as the centroid of the triangle. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can anybody say without looking? Okay, I'll call. Can you explain? I want your explanation. Yes. Okay, Nivedita, can you tell me what do you mean by a median of a triangle?
Ma'am, a median of a triangle is when a line segment is drawn from a vertex to the midpoint
Vertex
of
of a
the
triangle.
vertex of the triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side of the vertex is known as median of a triangle.
Okay, so we can say that a line segment joining the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side is known as
Median of the
is known as a
triangle.
Median of
vertex.
a triangle.
It's known as a median.
Median.
Isn't it? A median is a line segment joining the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. Okay. How many medians are there for a triangle?
Three.
Three medians.
Three medians. What is the point called with the point of concurrency of median
Centroid.
called?
Centroid.
Centroid of the triangle, isn't it? It is known as the centroid of the triangle. So is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear what is an altitude is
Yes,
clear
ma'am.
to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll give you one problem so that you can understand more. Look here. I'm drawing a triangle. Okay, I'm drawing a triangle. Now I'll keep here. This there is a median, A, B, C, and together it is 16 centimeter, and this is a D, the point D, and AD is a median given. AD is the median of triangle ABC. So, yes, Abhinav, can you tell? There is Abhinav Sajan. Can you tell me what will be the measure of DC? What will be the measure of DC?
Ma'am, 8.
8. Very good. Why? Why?
Ma'am,
Tell me what is the
and
reason?
6 and a half is 8.
Total
6
is
and a half
okay.
is 8.
What is the property there? What is the property used there? AD is a median, isn't it? What is the property used there? Median divides the opposite side into 2 equal
2
parts.
equal parts.
So if taught together, BC is 16 centimeter. If AD is the median, then what will be BD? BD will be 8 centimeter. And DC also will be 8 centimeter, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So understood what is a median? It divides the opposite side into 2 equal
2 equal
parts.
parts.
Median. Now we are going to study altitude. Don't get confused. Okay. Median and altitude are different, not the same. So once more, we can see what is a median. Then we will start with what is an altitude. Okay. Erin, can you tell me what is a median?
A line segment drawn from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side of the vertex.
Of a triangle is compulsory. Okay, first you say of a triangle. Okay, that is a very important thing. We are discussing about a triangle. So a line segment drawn from the vertex of a triangle. That triangle specify there. Okay. The vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side is known as a median. Then you can say median divides the opposite side into 2 equal parts. Then how many medians for a triangle? Hannah, how many medians?
3 medians.
3 medians are there. What do you know? What we call the concurrent point of the medians? Rolls and Francis? Rolls, hello. Rolls, what do you call the meeting point of the medians? Yes. Ehan, what is the name? Loudly. Centroid. I can hear.
The centroid.
Centroid. Very good. So that meeting point is known as the centroid of the triangle. Clear, children?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, next one we are going to study is altitudes. What are altitudes? Okay, altitudes, you can see, don't confuse with altitudes and medians. Look at this. Yeah, this is about median. Now next is altitude. Median and altitude of a triangle. So what do you mean by altitude? Children, I'll explain to you. That is altitude. If you draw an altitude, altitude also starts from vertices. Okay. So a line segment drawn from the vertex to the opposite side, that is same. A line segment drawn from the vertex to the opposite side, but it will not divide the opposite side into two equal parts. We cannot say like that. It is not compulsory to divide the opposite side into equal parts. That means it is not touching the midpoint. It need not touch the midpoint of the opposite side. But what is the speciality? It will be at a 90 degree to the opposite side. It will be at 90 degree to the opposite side, perpendicular to the opposite side. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Altitude means altitude also starts from the vertex of a triangle and it will go to the opposite side and it will be at 90 degree to the opposite side. It doesn't give any guarantee that it will be falling on the exactly at the middle point of the opposite side. Okay, but it will be at 90 degree to the opposite side. Altitude. How many altitudes can be there for a triangle?
3.
Three, because three vertices are there, no? So we can have one from here, this vertex, another from this vertex. So can you see the figure, children? I want to zoom it.
No, ma'am, we can see the figure.
We
So
can
how
see.
many?
Yes,
how
ma'am,
many
we can see the figure.
Okay, how many vertices are there? Three vertices. From
Three,
three,
ma'am.
all the three vertices, we can draw the altitudes. See, this will be from this vertex, suppose A, this is B, and this is C. So I'm drawing a an altitude here, drawing an altitude towards the other side, and all these, this will be at 90 degree to this side, 90 degree to this side. You can take it as D, E, and F. But this does not say that it is dividing the opposite side into two equal parts. Only median divides the opposite side into two equal parts. Altitude need not. Means what? Sometimes altitude can be the median also. For some triangles, altitudes and medians are the same. For equilateral triangle and for the isosceles triangle, median and altitudes are same. Okay, but we cannot say that altitudes always divide the opposite side into two equal parts. That is median. Altitude, what is the speciality of altitude? Altitudes are at 90 degree to the opposite side. Clear? And same way as median, we have three altitudes to draw to the opposite side. And the meeting point together of these three are known as what? Orthocenter. It is not written here. Here it is written. Orthocenter. This can be called as orthocenter. All these things are not there in your text. This is all extra knowledge. But you should understand, when you learn about altitude, you should learn everything, isn't it? Altitude, so understood what is an altitude? It starts from the vertex and it falls on the opposite side of the vertex of a triangle and it will be at 90 degree to the opposite side. So just to read it, an altitude of a triangle is the perpendicular segment from a vertex of a triangle to the opposite side. Or we can say the line containing the opposite side. Isn't it? An altitude of a triangle can be aside or may lay outside the triangle. That I will discuss in the next class. So understood what is an altitude? What is an altitude?
Yes,
An
ma'am.
altitude is a line segment joining the vertex of a triangle to its opposite side and it will be always perpendicular to the opposite side. That is what you have to say about the altitude. And how many altitudes are there? Three altitudes.
3.
And the meeting point of the altitudes are known as?
Orthocenter.
Orthocenter. Okay. So once more. Okay. Can anybody explain what did we study now? Yes? Okay, Han.
Ma'am,
Tell
we
me.
studied about median of a triangle,
Okay, and then
and then we studied that when median
Altitude.
of alternate
altitude. Very good.
altitude
Altitude of a
of
triangle.
Altitude, ma'am.
Yes. Abhinav, can you tell me what is meant by an altitude of a triangle?
The line
Joining.
which
The line joining what? What to what?
the opposite
No, line joining vertex of a triangle.
vertex of a triangle to the opposite side of vertex.
Opposite side of the vertex. And it will be always
Perpendicular.
perpendicular to the opposite side. Okay, Adi Ishwar, can you tell me what is an altitude?
Ma'am, the perpendicular segment from a vertex of a triangle to opposite side is called a altitude.
Okay, okay. Perpendicular segment from a vertex to the opposite side of a triangle. So that is known as an altitude. How many altitudes are there, Harry?
3 altitudes.
3 altitudes. What do you know about what do you call this meeting point of the altitude, Hannah?
Orthocenter.
Orthocenter. Okay, children. So I hope all of you understood. Let me take the attendance. Adi Ishwar is present.
Present, ma'am.
Adi Dev is present. Aaron Jomi, I didn't see today. Abhinav Sajan, present. Ajol Roshni, not there.